Okay guys, today we got very exciting news. I got a COLOP printer R30, but I don't know why the box is showing R30 data, but this is what is in the inside. And this is the normal one, but I still know why. This is the normal one. This is the data version. Okay. Did I just say data? No. Wait, why is there a hole in there? Oh yeah, I got it from AE Stamp. So let's open the box. Oh, it's very hot. Let's wait first. It's done. Now let's take it out from the box. Oh, we got this is a dustbin or something. Nah. Let me open that. I cannot open. Done. I just took it out from the cover. Now let me find an empty page. Maybe a great place could be here. Yes. I just have to do something greater than that first. Okay. Get ready to stamp in 3, 2, 1. Not too good. Oh, the imprint. Let me try again in 3, 2, 1. Why is it like this still? WTH. Okay, this is better. Okay, remember, you should get this ink pad E/R30. If you get the wrong one, please visit www.aestamp.sg. And even it has like a very nice lock button at this side. But this looks like an R24, maybe. Okay, great. You want to try again? Your wishes come true from COLOP Rubber Stamp 3795. Okay, looks good. The font is, I chosen it, the stamp, but I will give you the photo later. But you'll see it in post or something. The stamp, just the picture. Okay, this looks like a very good imprint, but I wanted to just... Okay, here's another one. Perfect. That looks like such a mind-blowing technology. I think it's like a mind-blowing thing to use. So, oh, did I stamp on somewhere? Oh my lord, I haven't supposed to. It just says good job. Oh, how about good job, your name? Let me show you more features of how it works. The lock button is black for this, nice though. But let me show you the other one. It's also COLOP, but it's a smaller version and it's a rectangle stamp. It's white color, same as the printer 20. But I don't know why it's a unique and special design. It's already been 4 minutes. Oh, there's nothing inside. Let's see if I can spin this box. Wait. Okay, and the next feature is they have, but I don't know what is this. Is that like a blanket or something? IDK. It's already 8:05 p.m. But I just brought it by 7 o'clock, but I did not unbox it. And more we have. What's all this? Okay, that's the best. But let's see what I can do to get my effort done. Oh, I use that one just to stamp the date. But I don't know, like if I just know if I do like this, then there's the imprint. Just like first you have to customize it with or without border. And then it'll show you the preview. Then when you deliver, it'll show you the stamping preview what you add to cart. Just like this is how immigration India people stamp by. But it's like this. But I'm using a smaller version because he or she is using R30 data. But I'm not gonna know that. Oh damn, what happened? Well, so good. I just need to have some coffee too. Yeah, it's black color. Yeah, it's black. Yeah. Wow, that's a lot. Now it looks like bubbles. Bubbles with text. Whiz, bubbles. It's like bubbles. It's not stamp, it's bubbles. You did not realize these are bubbles. Here's a higher view. Here's a very high view. The weirdest thing of all is this. I don't know why the ink pad is straight line, but let me show you the ink pad details and more. Oh dear, look at my hand. But oh well, it'll wash off. Okay, here's the detailed view. Black color ink. Okay, that's it. That make my hand causes a lot of ink, but it says it is so outstanding design. Yeah, this is outstanding. Yeah. Yes. Got another empty page. Very happy. Oh, okay. Nice though. Okay. It's like something like this. Here's the full view. But because previously the other one, the sample is just like showing a photo, and he said I should need a photo or picture, but I don't want it, so I'll just get the text only, and this is how it works. Here's the far view. Here's another very far view. This is a nearer view. This is a nearer view. This is a normal view. Just like if you do halfway stamping for it still works. If you like this, it'll fit. Let me keep all this nonsense stuff. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like for more stamp and lift updates. Okay, goodbye. See you next time. Let me take a shot. Done. Captured. Goodbye.